Here we got an Onix OA21E. Nice little amplifier. You can see there is a small nick here and another one on the top right corner. Show you everything working here. This is using the phono input right now. So here's the other inputs. So I'm not going to play it too long just in case we get muted. Obviously we don't want to do that. This is running off a set of Klipsch speakers. RF72s I believe they're called, or something like that. Dual 10-inch drivers. Thing's got a lot of power. And it's otherwise in pretty darn nice shape, and really sounds good. So yeah, that's the Onix amplifier that you may or may not be bidding on eBay.